Hi, this is Donnie Coloringor.
Juan Paulo Castro.
And Ruby Mendoza bringing you LMC news and current events.
Before the details, let us glance at the news headlines for April. Lorma Medical Center guarantees employee work-life balance.
The Kidney Transplant Institute brings forth the gift of extended life.
Lorma Medical Center achieves environmental success through collective action and cooperation.
Lorma Medical Center extends access to healthcare in Tubao National High School.
Lorma Medical Center helps curtail preventable diseases.
New employees orientation signifies effective coordination in the workplace.
The Lorma family's new faces and new voices.
Lorma Medical Center guarantees employee work-life balance. A yearly excursion was conducted for employees to experience a weekend getaway from daily work, to interact with people from different departments and enjoy doing organized activities together. The event was held last March 25 and April 1 at Baguio City. Employees were gathered at Camp John Hay to participate in the team building that brought laughter and challenging group activities. Employees also enjoyed tourist attractions with their dependents and colleagues, along with Baguio's friendly climate and natural scenery. Another place visited was the Baguio Sky Ranch, where employees experienced various theme park rides of their choice. The excursion was a success, with the leadership of Lorma Medical Center's hospital chaplains, Pastor Brenos Paragas and Pastora Lorna Paragas. The Lorma family values relationships and a healthy, balanced work life.
Say no to osteoporotic fractures. The Lorma Radiology Department now offers bone densitometry. DEXA scans measure bone density by passing a high and low energy X-ray beam through the body, usually in the hip and the spine. This procedure is important for diagnosing osteoporosis or bone thinning and may be repeated over time to track changes in bone density. The bone densitometer machine detects weak or brittle bones to help predict the odds of a future fracture. It will also determine if bone density is improving, worsening, or staying the same. Fractures caused by osteoporosis can be life-threatening and a major cause of long-term disability. Have your bones checked today. Lorma Medical Center, remarkable services, exceptional care.
The Kidney Transplant Institute brings forth the gift of extended life. Lorma Medical Center continues to improve patient survival rates through their successful operations. The Kidney Transplant Institute was recognized for their healing hands, for successfully completing the 64th and 65th kidney transplants. The recipients were a father and a son who are now living the gift of extended life. The kidney transplant team who were commended for their dedication and efforts were lead surgeon Dr. Junico Bisaya and transplant coordinator Ms. Idra Camille Gacad Garcia. Your unwavering support to healthcare goes above and beyond expectations.
Kidney transplant na abot kaya.
Subok, dekalidad, at sigurado. Sa tulong ng PhilHealth, problema sa bato,
Lorma mo!
Lorma Medical Center achieves environmental success through collective action and cooperation. As we work towards a more equitable future, Lorma Medical Center continues to build a healthy economy for the planet. By celebrating Earth Day last April 24 with the theme Invest in Our Planet, Lorma employees voluntarily participated in the different environmental activities to reflect and preserve the beauty of nature. The event began with the coastal cleanup at La Mer Beach Resort in Carlatan, City of San Fernando, La Union, followed by a tree planting in the morning. EnviroCare Management Precision Incorporated held an environmental training at the Rufino Hall, led by Ms. Aurora Oranga, Vice President for Business Continuity and Governance of EnviroCare Management Precision Incorporated. Employees were also given the chance to showcase their talents through the poster and slogan writing contest at the Refino Hall. There were a total of 18 participants. The Lorma Medical Center continues to uphold its duty as a steward of the environment.
Lorma Medical Center extends access to healthcare in Tubao National High School. Assistance was given during the launching of the Red Cross Health Caravan at Tubao National High School last April 25 by providing laboratory and X-ray services. Despite the distance, volunteers reached out to students and faculty at Tubao National High School to provide access to healthcare, taking at heart the universal oath, "Leave no one behind." The laboratory staff, X-ray, marketing, and transportation team contributed to the success of the health caravan. This manifests how community service knows no boundaries when people work in unity.
Lorma presents the new Cancer Institute in San Fernando, La Union. This new facility will provide the medical team with access to world-class healthcare equipment and infrastructure, which will lead to better outcomes and improved patient care. It has the same central and convenient location, with the most modern equipment and facilities in the Philippines.
Lorma Medical Center helps curtail preventable diseases. Last April 26 at Barangay Lingsat, Lorma Medical Center and the Lorma Community Development Foundation Incorporated partnered with the City Health Office in celebrating World Immunization Day. The event promoted the urgent need of vaccines for protection and prevention of diseases. The drive began with the checking of vital signs led by the nursing department of Lorma Colleges, followed by the seminar on immunization led by Dr. Christian Gurion. The highlight of the event is the provision of vaccines for children administered by the LMC nurses and the midwives of the City Health Office. Beneficiaries then underwent consultation and were given free medicines and multivitamins to protect them from emerging health threats. Indeed, Lorma Medical Center ensures prevention, protection, and compassionate care. Coming up next, new employees orientation signifies effective coordination in the workplace. Find out more after the break.
The Life Check Clinic at Robinson's Place, La Union is now officially open for patients. It is staffed by a full-time physician, space for patient reception, patient examination rooms, X-ray, ultrasound, and ECG.
New employees orientation signifies effective coordination in the workplace. Training programs are essential to continuously fulfill our mission as a progressive institution. Newly hired employees underwent an orientation to gain knowledge about the entirety of Lorma Medical Center. The orientation enlightened a total 14 new employees from different departments about the Lorma Medical Center personnel manual, statement of mission, and the devotion and work. The event was facilitated by Pastor Brenus Paragas, Hospital Chaplain, and coordinated by Mr. Lawrence Tamayo, HR Training Officer. Lorma Medical Center give its warm welcome to the new employees who will strengthen the vision and mission of our institution.
The Lorma family's new faces and new voices. In other news, newly accepted physicians were announced last April 18, 2023. Let us welcome Dr. Nikki Therese Alcos, Internal Medicine Training Resident. Dr. Mariel Angela Rodriguez, Visiting Consultant in General Surgery. Dr. Emerson L. Benedito and Dr. Nova Lawrence L. Dangli, Staff Physicians. May your service at Lorma Medical Center bring breakthroughs in the healthcare system.
That's it for this edition of the LMC News and Current Events.
More updates on Lorma Medical Center's Facebook page and websites.
See you again in our next broadcast. This has been Ruby Mendoza.
This is Juan Paulo Castro.
And this is Don Nicole Ringor. Thank you for watching.
Lorma Medical Center.
Remarkable services.
Exceptional care.